My name is Singh, and in this video I will be discussing the question set 28 of DBMS question set day 6. As in the previous recent videos, I will be using the same scenario of question set 16 and same set of data in question set 18. So let's go to our um, PDF. Question set 28. The first question: what is the highest mark? Highest mark means we have used the max keyword. Max keyword. What is the highest mark obtained in Sinhala literature in all term examinations in both terms of all students of class level B. So this will be our first query. We have derived the max mark from these set of join tables. We have firstly join the student exam mark record table in the subject table, so we can filter the subject marks only. And then we have join the student mark. So as they have given a specific class name, level B. So as we can access the class ID through the student table, we have join the student table. Then we have join the class accordingly. This is the condition part, and I will show you the result that I received from this query. It's 99, so the max mark received for Sinhala literature among the two terms is 99, and it should be the B. Class name should be the B as well. What is the highest mark? Highest mark means we have used the keyword once again. Highest mark and the subject. The highest mark and the subject. And Sachitra Vikramsingha's first term subjects in all subjects. This would be our second query. Firstly, we have derived the max mark. For that, we have join the student table and the student exam mark report table. In that table, we have join the subject table. Then lastly, we have join the subject table. I mean the exam term table. And this would be our condition part. From that max mark that we have derived, we have obtained the its subject name and that mark. I have executed the query and I will show you. So this is the subject and the respective mark of that subject. 85.5. The subject is Sinhala language and literature. Let's see the third question. Find the name mark of the students who scored between 70 and 90 marks in the mathematics subject in the first term examination. This would be our third query. As we have to find the name and the mark, we have included them. Firstly, search first name, last name, the name, and mark. We have join the student exam mark record table and the the student table, so we can access the specific student's name. Then we have join the subject table to filter the mathematics marks, and we have join the exam term table in order to filter first term marks. So this will be our condition section, and I will show you the result we acquired. This would be our answer. Fourth question: find the subject mark with highest mark. With the highest mark means we can use the max keyword here. With the highest marks, obtain in out of mathematics and science by Amanda Moses in first term. This should be our fourth query. Firstly, we found the max mark. So for that, we have join the student exam mark report table with the student table. Then we have join the subject table. then the exam term table, and this would be our condition part. Yeah, I have mentioned our subjects as they have given multiple values. I have used the in keyword. Um, the first name is Amanda and the last name is Moses. The term name is first term. Using that max mark, I have obtained the subject name as well as that same mark. I will execute the query and show you the answer. This would be our answer. The subject name is mathematics and the mark is 90. Let's see the fifth question. Find the highest mark. Highest mark means that we have used the keyword max. Find the highest mark that Madara Vanasekar has obtained out of the three subjects mathematics, science, and Sinhala language and literature in the second term examination. Even though they have given all of the subjects, we have to use the subject table, and so we have used the student table, the student exam mark report table, the subject table, and the term table. So this would be our fifth query. Um, as we need to find the maximum mark, we have selected the mark column and have used the max keyword. Um, Moving on, I have joined the student table with the student exam mark record table, so we can um, access that specific student Madara Vansekar's index number. Then I have joined the subject table as they have given us the subjects, so I use the subject table as well. Then I have joined the exam term table in order to filter the second term marks. Um, so I will show you the answer that I have received. I have obtained the answer as 85, and that would be the end of the discussion of question set 28 of DBMS question sets day 6. And thank you.